that's one of the reasons we wanted to share this with you. The result says that something needs to be done. The area it's in danger. The mangroves are dying. The corals are at stake. They are at danger also. So something needs to be done, and that's what the results of this study conducts. And we, as an institution, we are willing to contribute together with the government, together with the non-governmental agencies, to form a board and work in partnership to save Isla de Oro.
Has it made it more expensive after this report that says you can do it, but if you want to do it, you have to adjust certain things that you did not plan for?
Actually, the initial assessment was correct. That, for example, the mangroves, there's some areas in Isla de Oro that the mangroves are dying. There's for two reasons. One, the debris, and it's very dirty inside. The mangroves are suffocated with all the amount of things that are inside of there. And second, the circulation of water. There's no circulation of water, so something needs to circulate in order for the mangroves to be alive and to continue growing. So those things we had that identified at the beginning. The corals. There's a nurturing program to actually put new corals into an area of Isla de Oro that there's no corals. So we need to enhance that experience to build more corals, to nurse more corals. And that obviously costs a lot of money. And we're willing not only to do it, but to fund it, to maintain it, because it's not just doing it, but also maintain it through the years.
How much more money do you have to spend on the project?
So we spend around $500,000 during all the environmental studies and all the research and the time, obviously, that we kept waiting. But we feel very comfortable that the government is being very supportive. We want feedback. And I know that there are going to be, they propose, and actually you're going to ask that, but they propose 16 areas to be protected. We believe in that. We believe that areas should be protected.